This is lesson 68, more on division with two-digit answers and a remainder. Let's begin. 3 cannot go into 1, so 3 can go into 13. 4 times 3 is 12. We subtract 13 minus 12 is 1. We bring down our 4. 14 can go into 3, or 3 can go into 14, excuse me. 4 times 3 is 12 again. We subtract, we have 2, our remainder is 2. Our next one, 240 into 7. We know that 7 cannot be divided. 2 cannot be divided by 7, but 24 can be divided by 7. I'm thinking it's 3 times. 3 times 7 is 21. We subtract. It gives us 3. We bring down our 0. 30 can be divided by 7 4 times. 28, we subtract, we have 2 as our remainder. Our next one, 88. We already know that we're going to have a remainder because when we're multiplying or dividing by, it can be divided by 5 if it has a 0 or a 5 at the end. Let's tackle this one. 1 times 5 is 5. We subtract. We get 38. 5 times 7 is 35. We subtract. We get 3. Our remainder is 3. 256 divided by 8. I'm going to do this in using a division box. 259, I should say. I'm flipping things today. 25 can be divided into 8. I've got to think about this. 3 times 8 times 3 is 24. We subtract 1. We bring down our 9. 19 can be divided by 8. 2 times 8 is, I'm going off the page, 16. We subtract, we get 32, remainder 3. And let's try 95 divided by 4. 95 divided by 4. 9 can go into 9 times 2 times 4 is 8. We subtract, we have 1. We bring our 5 down. This is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. And we subtract and we get 3. So 23, remainder 3. And finally, 325 divided by 6. Now, one thing to note, if your remainder is larger than your divisor, then you need to check your math again, because it will never be larger than the divisor, because then you can add another, you've used the wrong numbers for dividing. So let's begin. 6 goes into 32. 5 times, we multiply 30, we subtract 25. I automatically know that 4 times 6 is 24, and my remainder is 1. We went pretty fast. If you have any issues, stop, pause, and go over it again. But good luck on this.